Alright, figured it out. You've been asking how to close the gap? Check it. Big ass plate. Slide it right through. I'm going to trim it up, weld it up. Yeah, who's a smart guy now? Fresh air brake. It's hot in here. It smells like cut-off wheel. It's not good for the lungs. Yeah, fresh air brake. Alright, progress has been slow because I have no idea what I'm doing. Made some weird plates and I'm just sandwiching between the frame rails. I'll just weld them all up so I have like a nice 3D cross section in there of steel. Who cares about the weight? Just one like little 1/4 inch cross section will be just fine. And then fills the whole gap and gives me a bunch of steel to put heat into with the MIG so I can just knock this thing out quick. Driver side plates in, passenger side plates in going in a minute, and ready to rock. Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to see. It's hard to see, but that's welded in. Now we gotta do this one. Lowering tires, raising tires, shimming, jacking, trying to get it all straight. It's all like 3-dimensional. Get that? Right. I mean, you got a better idea? Put the steel in there, weld it all together.